Are you ready to take your woodworking game to the next level? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cutting precision as we unveil the ultimate showdown of the best bandsaws. These powerful tools are a woodworker's dream, and we've lined up the finest contenders to help you make an informed choice. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box for in-depth reviews and where to buy these saws. Now, let's begin. Milwaukee 2829-20 bandsaw. Power through your cutting tasks with the Milwaukee 2829-20 M18 fuel compact bandsaw. It offers a 3:1/4 x 3:1/4 cutting capacity, making it the fastest in its class. Thanks to the brushless motor and constant power technology, job site armor technology shields it from the harshest conditions, while RedLink Plus intelligence ensures top performance and overload protection. With a variable speed trigger, tool-free adjustable shoe, LED work light, and a handy rafter hook, it's the go-to choice for versatile cutting. Additionally, the option to attach a pipe reamer further enhances its utility. Dewalt DCS 371B bandsaw. For efficient metal cutting, the Dewalt DCS 371B portable bandsaw is a true marvel. With a 2:1/2-inch cut capacity, it effortlessly slices through various materials, including 2-inch SCE 40 pipe. Designed for precision, the centered handle position ensures superior balance and ergonomics, reducing user fatigue during operation. An integrated LED work light illuminates your workspace, making accurate cuts a breeze, and you can hang it without damaging the front handle or base. With blade tracking adjustment, tool-free blade changing, and a 3-year limited manufacturer's warranty, this bandsaw is a reliable choice for metal cutting needs. WEN 94396 bandsaw. Embrace versatility and power with the WEN 94396 portable bandsaw. This 10-amp handheld marvel offers a massive cutting capacity, slicing materials up to 5 inches wide and deep. It sports variable speed, letting you adjust blade speed from 60 to 420 feet per minute, perfect for various materials. At only 14.5 pounds, it's incredibly portable. Loaded with features like an adjustable front handle, ball-bearing blade guides, external blade tensioning lever, and a 10/14 TPI metal cutting blade, this tool comes with a solid 2-year warranty. It's the perfect companion for tackling diverse cutting tasks. Ryobi P590 bandsaw. The Ryobi P590 portable bandsaw offers a 2.5-inch cut capacity for wood, metal, or plastic. Featuring a comfortable integrated pommel handle, it provides enhanced visibility and quick cuts at 560 SFPM. As a bare tool compatible with Ryobi's OnePlus 18-volt batteries, it offers reliable and precise cutting for various applications. Please note that this bulk packaged item may come in a generic box, but it promises efficient and accurate cutting. Discover the convenience of cordless cutting with Ryobi's reliable performance. Bosch GCB 18V2N bandsaw. The Bosch GCB 18V2N compact bandsaw is built for tight work areas, making it up to 60% lighter and 40% more compact than standard deep-cut bandsaws. This lightweight tool is ideal for overhead cutting, offering clean cuts and a standard 2:1/2-inch cutting capacity. With a tool-free blade guard, blade change, and an ergonomic design, it's your reliable and portable companion, covered by a 5-year limited warranty. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of precision and power. With the best bandsaws at your side, your craftsmanship knows no bounds. Until next time, keep creating, keep cutting, and keep rocking.